Дорогие зрители, с вами я, Гежный Пакот опять. Не знаю, пожалуйста, набирайте побольше протокола, почаще смотрите мои ролики, но смотрел, видел, что на моем одном ролике примерно 0 просмотров. Да, немножко пониже был, который про этого, про Фатейн, который я вам про это. Надо про это. Ладно, сейчас мы выполняем задание, будем выполнять, пока что не сделано, а потом будем опять выполнять вот это задание, что оно еще бесконечное. А это на время. Вот видите, на время. Ну. И да, кстати, я сегодня наконец-то прошел возвышение. Третье возвышение. Ну, третье. Вот, то есть, смотрите, у был 45 уровень, сейчас взял 50-й. А сейчас офигенно. Вместо здесь вот такое. Еще одну я соберу весь всего. Нет, буду еще на максималке. Огромное такое. Увеличить уровень навыка. Ладонь в вихре на 3. Максимальный уровень на 15. Максимальный уровень 15. Ну а все. И немножко его прокачал. Также возвысил вот этого и вот этого. Также мне дали очень много кого. Очень много кого-то, ну ладно, а мы сейчас выполняем задание. Она называется яркие птицы в весеннем небе 1. Есть погони ливиевые. Да, это новое. Да, здесь сейчас что-то накупаю, пока что. Вы пока заварить чаечек себе. Вот так себе сделать. И все. Так где? А, вот там вот. Что это ежедневное задание, так будет считается, но просто ограничено на 20 дней. Да, за 20. За 20 дней его должны сделать. Так минимум. Ладно, надо, что это будет морские фонари, плюбас, что-то связано. Морские фонари, то так никак праздник начинается.
Charlotte's help every we also a toy you see Miss although kites are one of our most
то я, кажется, откладываю немножко. Это надо же подумать, тогда дальше надо доходить мне.
First, you use the thin strips, then you look. Some people write down certain designs.
Это все.
The scissor tail was the most classic design. It symbolizes. Are these commonly understood? If you're interested, Miss Charlotte, I have. That would be a huge help. Great. Looks like I've got the outline for quite an article on my. We're gonna take a. Then I'll show Miss Charlotte to my home. I almost forgot. If you're interested, the rules are. I've already prepared more than. Oh, time almost up. Then I'll. You bet. orders. Oh, I'm sick of waiting around for something bad to happen. We should strike first, you know. Foil their plans before you go right. Paimon will go left.
Прям классно было. Яркие птицы в весеннем небе. Первая глава, можно сказать. Мне вот готовил этот ролик. Да выпущу.
One bears for the purpose of this foray.
You kidding?
You may want to.
Don't think that Paimon is gonna believe you just because you know her.
Indeed, Mooncarver and myself have descended upon the mortal.
Huh. Looks like you did your research. But in our experience, the harder you try to we'll go straight to the Lilith and have
Preposterous.
right. Tell us.
You may recall that, in fact, the plant neither. Thus, one had on your way. How did you come in? The young lass. Alas, one could.
Forbid.
You indeed.
Paimon can understand why Mount Cheaper is here, but why did?
It is but long of the mountains rim with lantern cloud retain. One must never rest up. But a moment ago.
Huh.
Perhaps there are aspects. Cloud retainer. One surmises. However, if you.
Sure. Have a safe trip back and.
Thank you for your kind words. We shall now.
Well.
Как будете идти-то будет так минимум 30 минут, не больше, и все. А где продукт воздушных днев?
Welcome. Does it also have? Of course. Oh, now that's kind of. Yes, they're just over there.
Wonderful. I'll buy.
Well,
Well, if the two of you are interested in going.
is Scott?
Yes. If you.
You do seem really pressed.
Oh. Now, at this time of day, coming should be some.
Be sure to come back if you'd like to buy a kite.
Я взял указание, чтобы найти камина. Вот сейчас где это камина. Вон походу. Ну.
Wait, I thought we had an agreement. Hey now.
No way. I'm not trying to be.
That was nothing. I'll let it dig.
Perfect. Coming is. Sorry to interrupt, coming. We just.
Oh, that must have.
Sure. Let's.
Alrighty, you can hand the goods over to me. Must have been heavy hauling them all this way. Let me take them off your hands.
It wasn't that bad. It's just some.
Kite making materials. I see. I'm glad. And you.
Huh?
Oh, and please excuse. He's a good guy. He's just been. So, you.
Yep. It's so.
Perfect. I'm good with direction. Oh, ingredient.
Order anything? Hey, did you really have to call Paimon out like?
Don't worry, I understand. Do you need to pack anything?
Nope. I think.
Oh, that's.
Да, путь. Куда мы направляемся? Так, что такое? Да ты зашел я вообще. Это здесь тоже новое здание? Тут про камин что-то связано, походу, ну. Тут набору не дают. О, тут есть и волки. Вот это выполняем, походу, ну. Ну это мы выполняем, да? Так. Прикатилось, куда нам надо. Там сразу новая локация.
bit further. One step at a time. Hang in there. Wait,
Теперь
get
ты
behind me.
закроешь. Ой,
I'll
я
handle
такой
this.
мощный будет.
Another test subject. Suffocate.
Alley-oop.
Try.
Congratulations.
Have a little taste. Try. Suffocate.
Sorry, pal.
Try. Retribution.
Congratulations.
Suffocate.
Alley-oop.
Try.
Правда, я его немножко сейчас не понимаю, конечно, немножко.
Mighty mythical beast. Alley-oop.
Ебал на вас. Он еще и исцеляется, но...
Test subject. Another test subject.
Oh, so sorry.
Congratulations. Up to it, Bonsai. Alley-oop. Sorry, pal. Congratulations.
Проведение.
Wrong test subject.
Seems like we really can't go anywhere without running into treasure hoarders.
Yeah.
I know what's in.
Oh, have you ever heard of Really? Performers might be invited to promote the opening of a business, but I'm also...
Huh? Ah, Paimon!
Not really.
Oh.
Let's go.
Может, минут 3 зачем, не знаю, точно. Просто на пристань. Окей, let's go.
Finally, we can rest.
Sorry. Did I push the pace a bit too much? I mean, you were the ones who said you were travel experts.
We was just chilling.
Aw. Would you like some winter melon cake?
Yes, Paimon will take.
You might want to pace yourself there, or you'll be too full to eat a proper meal later. I see. And here you go, Paimon. And for you, traveler. Enjoy. And here's some for you too, Uncle Bosu.
Камин.
Don't think I forgot.
Герой с камином, а? Мне просто извини, почему
That
тут
close
на
of a call,
ёбне.
huh?
Тут нравится имени.
I've been eating winter melon cake ever since I was a kid. You can buy them from all sorts of places, whether it's a small vendor on the side of the road or a big restaurant in the city. But each place produces. If you like these ones, I can give you the address of the shop I bought them from. I'll just have to check when we get back. All my jabbering must be making it difficult for you to enjoy the scenery in peace, huh? Don't be afraid to tell me to zip it for a little while, okay? Really?
It's okay. Paimon is kind of a.
Aww.
Пацан вроде бы и эпический персонаж, но
To be in a good mood anytime she
очень мощный.
Don't forget your things, and watch your step when you get off the raft. You're in for a swim. Thanks for the ride, Uncle Bosu. You take care of yourself now. I'll see you some other time. Okay, follow me. This way.
Так, куда теперь пластика? охранному предприятию. Це буду давати ще. Через 7 часов, через 2 дня, через 3 дня. Там тоже Богдан будет. Лифт. Быстрее.
Hey! Slow down. I'm begging ya.
What is it? No one's gonna try any funny business when the street is this bad.
Oh, do you see that group of people over there? Those are my...
Wow.
Once they start buying things... No, it's not that. I'm just... It would be best if we could steer clear of them. I'll explain more when we have the chance.
Так. Из камина приехал, стараясь, чтобы его миру вас не заметил.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Помедленнее. Что рассматриваешь, а? Может, знаете, что уйдет. Люди каменного уходят, а? Погнали, давай.
Turn left. Run!
Бежим.
To the right and... Wow, you guys are...
No, it's not.
You really look...
As long as you don't.
Hey, Uncle Drigway. These are my friends, the Traveler and Paimon. They came to deliver some goods with me. So...
Yes, I should thank you.
No need.
Hey, we're already here, aren't we? No harm in taking a little... But anyway, you just sit down and relax, Uncle Drigway. Who would I be if I have to be up and... Oh, you aren't...
How long have you two known Gami?
Oh, not long. He's just a super.
A while ago, Gami personally went all the way to Ubu Pharmacy to get that young man. I mean,
Uncle Yongzan says...
feels like we've troubled you enough already.
I'm sure the scent... Oh, but...
Right then.
Are you free in 2 days?
Whoa, that
Don't mention...
sounds good. Paimon never says no to.
Alright, then I'm...
Is he underestimating Paimon? Anyway, it's Goblins. He has such a happy-go-lucky personality.
Since you already played, you seem to be around the same age, so perhaps you could help me talk things through. Consider it a...
If you have the time, maybe I can say,
Well,
wait,
would you like some...
no thanks. We should see the piece of kindness we got.
All right then. Please do let me...
Ходит по порту Илун. Куда там поделся?
Presumed you were displeased to be in one's presence.
Я
Take
знаю
note,
тебя
Paimon.
уже за меня.
Dad, shouldn't you be back? And what's with the
And what of it? The Chishings did you expect one?
waving? Can you?
A great thought. Perhaps you.
Huh? Wait, here? Oh, that woman really just does whatever she wants. Hey, now you two.
Welcome. Please have a look around. We only...
No. 2 boxes.
Wonderful.
Then 4.
Look at the magnificent... 10. Nice round.
That is agreed.
Of course. Quite the eye for...
I'm a toy merchant.
Perhaps you could enlighten.
Well, mademoiselle.
Give me your newest.
The instruction manual is...
I can do without. There is no harm.
Did your shopping go smoothly?
Naturally. And you too.
We just have.
You are also planning. What has been had no choice.
Oh, who?
Chew you.
Wow. Also, this is.
The mechanism that one has developed was the fruit of. It is composed of material.
It sure.
So,
Huh? Wait.
all right then. No need to arrive at Mount.
Are you leaving? Don't you want a guide to?
Тебе чемодан долетающий.
What kind of invention?
One calls it.
She. Look at her what? But anyway, that box of. And wouldn't you know it? All the stuff. Huh? What did she call it again? Toad. After all.
Все? Вы серьезно? Это все? Это все? Чего? Не так мало. Я думаю, что-то больше будет. О, эпик. Летит эпик. Так, кто? Тома? Чего? Ладно, Тома, так Тома. У меня же было не раз. Это вся глава. Все вы понимали. Ну, для того, чтобы побольше будет, Ну, а все, в принципе, пока что второй главы нет уже. Он будет через 7 часов. Я же говорил. Сейчас! Блин, мама это понятно. Ладно, вот закончили, короче. Первый вывод. То Англия, Геошен топ. Геошен импакт. Всем пока.